So in lesson 1.2, this is just kind of an intro to Excel. So we are going to start a blank Excel workbook. And in the name box, if we click in the first one, it is known as cell A1, and this would be considered our active cell. So in cell 1, type your first name and hit enter. Then we're going to click on File and go to our Backstage view and just look at the different printing options. Now we're going to click the arrow or the escape key to go back to our worksheet. Notice here as you look at the ribbon and tabs that it's very similar to our Microsoft Word. However, we do have a few different things in our insert and page layout options, and then we have a new option called formulas. So this was just a little intro to Excel. If you want to explore it further, that is fine and up to you.